We will go through all the essential pre-start checks, starting procedures, and how to monitor the generator while it's running. First, we have to check the engine oil level. Here's a dipstick. We will take it out to see if the engine oil is between high and low level. The next check is coolant level check. Here's the filler cap. You need to open it and make sure the engine has sufficient coolant. The next one is battery check. Make sure that all the connections are good and there are no loose connections. Next, we have to check the circuit breakers. Always make sure that it operates freely and it is in open or off position during starting. Next, we have to check the engine fan. Check visually if there is any obstruction or interference with the blades. Make sure it works freely. Now we have to check the battery voltage. Before that, we will turn on all the miniature circuit breakers. That will turn on the control panel. Here you can see the battery voltage. It's showing 12.8. That means the generator is ready to operate. Now we have completed all the pre-start checkups. Now the generator is ready to start. Before starting, make sure that there is no alarms in the control panel. Now we can start the generator.